Hey everybody, and welcome to the TechHub.training Lending a Helping Hand Challenge solution. I'll be showing you how to get the solution today, so let's jump right into it. And so this will be the sheet you'll be downloading, just the sheet one, as the solutions are in here, the info needed sheet. And so the first step has us remove duplicates. And so you can just select this, and we can do a Control Shift arrow key. In this case, we'll be doing the down arrow key to select everything. And then right arrow key to select everything right here too. And then we'll just be going to data and remove duplicates right here. Then you select all because we have duplicates in all the columns. Okay, OK, and then it'll tell you 10 duplicates were found and removed. And so we'll be left with 4,097 cells right here, filled rows. And then number two asks, we're gonna make a new sheet right here. So in order to make a new sheet, you just click this little button right here, new sheet, and to name it, you can right click and then rename, and then you'll rename it to info needed right there, right here. And then it'll say, and then we'll put all of our data into the info needed worksheet right there. Sheet, not worksheet. And so then three, separate the employee names to only show the first names, and then name it first name. And so what we can do is go back to sheet one right here and select this whole column of first names and do text to column. And we'll do delimited and then next. And then since the columns the names are separated by a comma, we can do a comma. We can select this one right here, then click next, and we only want the first name. So when it's right now it's selected on the last names, and we'll just do not import columns. We'll skip it, and then we'll select this one, and then finish. Well, you're gonna wanna, I messed up. You're gonna wanna destination. So we can just click wherever on this screen right here, any of these cells, and it'll give us all of it. And then we'll just copy and paste the whole column, and then right here to the first column, and then name it first name, of course. And then calculate the age of every employee and name it in the column age. And so right here I got the formula. The int is an integer, just to make it a whole number and no decimals. And so we can use the today formula right here, close parentheses right here, just close it on itself, and it'll give you the date of today. So these answers will be, might change on depending on when you do this challenge. And so we're gonna minus that by their birth date right here. So that's why it's sheet 1B2. So, and then we're gonna divide that by 365 since there's 365 days in a year. And then that'll give us our age. And then next you're gonna want to get the birth month and actually have it get written out as a month, like December right here. So what we can do for that, the way I did it is we can do the text formula. We do equals text, and then we select the birth dates right here, and then you can type and that'll write out the whole month, like as shown right here. And then we'll do the calculate the number of years the employee has been employed in the company. And so right here, you can do the integer again to make it a whole number, and it'll round it down for us too, which is great. And so we'll do days because we want the number of days, or we can do years. I don't know, but this is how I did it. But and so I did the days, and then today of today, and then as a start date, and then the end date as their higher date, and we divide that by 365 to get us the years, and that'll give us how many years. Oh, don't want to do that. Okay, wrong. I messed up on that one. And then what else is next? Bonuses are getting given out to the employees. And so we're going to want the employees highlighted that have worked 10 years, and we're going to highlight them. And so to do that, we just select the whole column and then go to home condition formatting and the highlight rules. We can just do greater than 7. I mean, not 7, 9. So it'll give us 10 and above, 10 years and above of 9. So we'll highlight all of those. And then we're going to want to do a right, count if. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to want to put a new column, name it number of bonuses, and we're going to want to count all of this. And so count if, um, so we're gonna do count if, and then select this whole column right here, and then if the number is greater than or equal to 10, then that'll give us our answer. And then we're gonna do number of December birthdays. So we'll do another count if of the birth month column right here, and we're gonna limit it to December because we want December's. And then lastly, for average age, we'll do a round down, or you can do an integer, I think. That should work, yeah, like the other ones. But I did a round down average of their age column right here with 0 um, decimals right here. So just round it down to the nearest whole number. And that's how I did my the challenge of my solution. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.